Hi everyone, this is Kavya, and in today's class we are going to discuss about the base SAS certification question number 57. If you are enjoying the videos, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you will never miss an update. So without any delay, let's dive in the question number 57. And the question is, what happens when you use the sum function and all arguments are missing? So the question asks, what happens when the sum function in SAS is applied to variables where all values are missing? In SAS, sum function is used to add the values of its argument while ignoring missing values. And when all the values are passed to the function or missing, the behavior is slightly different. So that's what the question asks, when all values are missing in the variable. So what is the message we will get, and also what are the output we will get, the question asks. So the options given are, it returns an error, it returns a 0, it returns a missing value, it excludes the missing values and returns the sum. So the first option is, it returns an error. This is incorrect because SAS does not throw an error when encountering missing values in the sum function. It will simply ignore the missing values, and if no valid number remain, it will return a missing value. For example, if you see here, I have taken x is equals to missing and y is equals to missing. So the question actually asks this only, right? If two variables, like all the variables are missing, then what will be the sum? So the question is that one. And what the first option is, it returns an error. So here, so first of all run the program, and now we can see the log. So if you see here, there is no error message, there is only note messages that missing values were generated as a result of performing an operation on missing values. So there is no error. So the first statement is wrong, and the next one is, it returns 0. So if you see here, I have already run the program, right? And here I have already run the program. So the option gives it returns 0. So if you see this one, see, it is not 0, it is missing only. So it returns 0 is incorrect because SAS will only return 0 if at least one of the argument is a valid number. If all arguments are missing, it will return a missing value but not 0. For example, here, if in case I have written as 12 and now run the program, okay, and now run the program. Now you can see it is given as 12. So if in case of 12, if I have written 0, then see, now it is 0. So when we have written a valid number, then we will get 0 or something. So this option is also wrong. And the next option is, it returns a missing value. So when the variables or the observations are missing for all variables, then we will also get the missing value. So this option is correct one. And the next one is, it excludes the missing values and returns the sum. So the answer is partially correct. So this answer is partially correct, but only applies when some of the arguments are valid numbers. As I said, the sum function excludes missing values and sums the valid numbers. But in this case, where all arguments are missing, it returns a missing value but not a sum. So it excludes the missing values and returns the sum means, in this case, when I have written here, that is the 12 or 0 I have written, right? In that case, this option will be applicable, but all the observations are missing, right? So in that case, this option is correct. It returns a missing value only, not an error, not a 0, not a sum. So this is about this sum function of all arguments are missing, and that's it. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and subscribe to the Great Online Training channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.